Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reopen the closed tabs in Chrome on computer. So this is the Chrome browser, and if I open multiple tabs here, one with the YouTube and one with the Facebook.com and a few other, say suppose Wikipedia. After opening the multiple tabs, and if you close the tab mistakenly, then what happens is the tab will be closed, and if you want to reopen that tab, you can move over to this blank space where there are no tabs, and right click on your mouse, and it will give you option to reopen the closed tabs. So you can just choose that option and the closed tab will be automatically restored. Similarly, you can also go to this three dot options, and under the history we have this recent tab section where you will be able to see the tabs which were recently closed. And if you want to just reopen that closed tab, you can just go and select that particular tab, and then it will reopen the closed tab. So in this way you can reopen the recently closed tabs. And in the same option within the history, you also have this history section where it will display the list of all the websites that you have visited in present and past. So today I have visited almost like 6 or 7 websites, and on Wednesday, April 27th, I visited youtube.com. So in this way you can find all the list of all the websites that you have visited in past, and you can choose to open or reopen that particular website. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.